name is Josh from Linear Graphics, and today we're showing you Photoshop. And well, you know what is Photoshop means? Well, Adobe Photoshop is just only a professional image program developed by Adobe Systems. And well, commonly used most of designers. Well, probably graphic designers, visual effects designers, and others. Well, it's multifunctional in any case. You can even use it in bitmap graphics, vector graphics, and also doing movie graphics, or I mean motion graphics. Well, that's about what Photoshop means. Well, so you will be telling me how to get Photoshop first. Then it's simple. Go to adobe.com and search there to the downloads area, Adobe Photoshop CS6. In any case, it is only Adobe Photoshop CS6, the latest version now of Photoshop. Cool. It's really cool. Seriously. You can check the text there if your system is capable to run Photoshop CS6. You can just only try the trial. It's a 30 days trial, or you can buy it to have a full version. So that's all. It's the easier way to get Photoshop. Now, we're gonna be telling you this is now the Photoshop interface. And well, it's really in your first sight. Supposedly you're just only crazy yourself, running your head, viewing all of this. Well, simply studying all of this. Well, there's actually really good. You have to know what is the 6 main parts. Well, this is the application bar, the menu bar, the option bar, the toolbar, the palettes, dock panels contains the palettes, the palette well, and others. And this one is the image window. So, if you're going to be opening something else, you can create a new document. And this is now the settings of it. It can be different. It depends what you like. The higher the width and the height, higher the resolution is. Well, the bigger the size, it will have a bigger file space. So of course, if you decrease it to like 1280 by 720, it will decrease to 2.64. Then if I return again to that, my own settings is 1900 by 1200. It's probably 6.52 megabytes. And well, it depends on you what you desire to put. So it's okay this. You can even play around settings, or you could just only advance it. I don't care. So that's okay. So this is actually your new format. Well, you can be building on anything else. So you can even just only write about it, like playing around the text and write your name down there. You can do that thing. But well, it's not like a feint. Well, it's not a really optional thing. So you will personally know how to import your picture. Well, it's simple. Go open and drag about it. This is only the really visual thing. But if you want to like this, then you would again. So you can place it something like this, resize it what the heck you wanted, and you can be doing the same thing like this. Well, so you can be actually re-edit. So it depends on you what you wanted to the size. Of course, you can be actually play around with the whole color settings, have color correction and others, add some designs and borders and others. Well, so this, firstly, you know, this is actually the info. Well, you will read anything else about information of the picture and others. This is the zoom level, which is actually what is the zoom level on your screen when you like this one. If I just only this magnifying glass thing there, or the zoom tool, I mean, the navigation tool, and if you just only click or left click, you just only zoom in. Well, and you can even actually zoom out again and also put the screen if you want it. So actually that is actually a good example. Well, so we mostly that is actually a good thing. So anyway, so you will be telling me some parts here. So anyway, you will meaning what is the purpose of this? Well, this is just only the workspace areas. It Photoshop have different workspace that you can choose from. It depends what the thing that you will actually doing about it. If you would do a motion graphics, you can go to motion, or I mean animation already. If you want to have a design, you can go to design. If you want to go to something painting, or and that's all. You can just only play with brush presets there. Or if you just only go to photography, you can even change the colors of your levels. You're gonna be actually playing around it, and some 3D for Max and others. Well, Essentials is only just the standard, all things that you can do. The very standard. Well, so anyway, you're gonna be telling me how it does with this launch bridge. Well, yeah, Adobe Bridge. Well, simply Adobe Bridge is just a file explorer developed by Adobe Systems. What the use of it is actually connecting two softwares in one file explorer. So, for example, let's pretend I have Adobe After Effects. Well, I'm using Bridge, and you can be actually importing it, and that's all. It's really good thing. Or you can actually place it anyway like that thing. And well, so that is only the basic thing you can actually do with Bridge. So this is actually much useful, but I don't frequently use this. Pretty good. Well, you can also review it if you wanted, what the heck you want, that you want to import in a software or others. So that's why it's named Bridge, because it will connect two Creative Suite software by Adobe. Well, it's a good thing. So we're closing anyway. So anyway, Mini Bridge, it has a similar thing, but I don't have anything idea with it. I don't use it anyway. So you can try it by yourself. Well, most of all, you're gonna be actually the basic tools that you can use. It's the selection tools. These four things here. Well, it's only a good thing. You're gonna be playing, and some cutting, slicing tools there, retouching tools, vector tools, navigation information tools, and other tools. Actually, mostly you can change the colors or anything else. Well, so you're gonna be actually playing around. So this you can be actually playing. So you will actually go to the palettes. Well, the adjustment is just only simple effects that you can, or editors that you can actually add to have a really good atmosphere to your color. For example, I have curves, and this curve is just only an example of color correction. So if you move this, it will change the tone of the color. While if I just only make it contrast, it looks darker. So you can just only play it to make it more brighter, or something else. You're gonna be actually that thing, or something else. So you can actually play around. So that's how you can be actually playing. Also, you can even try some color balance and balance what the color means. Good thing for those editors. Also, mostly I like to use is probably, yeah, the curves mostly I use. I frequently use sometimes brightness and contrast, or can edit the brightness and the contrast for the darker side. Well, not necessary for any means. It's only a good color app. So always remember, using this is not actually making you over editing. Always remember, overusing any of this will actually really ruin the whole picture. Yeah, the colors, the atmosphere, and the look. I don't like over edited pictures just for colors correction. You just only make it more simplified, a more calm mood, and or anything else. So anyway, the last thing you can actually take in, what is the layers? Well, just only different parts of the picture that you edited. So any of this, if you just only think, it will change anything else, or not viewing, clicking the I button. Well, this is mostly layer means. You can even duplicate it, or anything else. You can maybe just only copy anything, multiple files. Also move the background if you wanted, but well, better actually like that too. So, or you can create a new layer by clicking this icon between the trash can and the folder. And then you can create a new layer that you can actually edit it from, that you can add for this. So I hope you learn the basics. Well, there are more integrated things that you can learn for something else. Well, so I know you already familiarized with the menu bars. There are different file scripts you can choose from. You can also save as and then export it and just only upload to auto software. So anyway, thank you for watching, and this is actually just only a very basic for Photoshop. So my name is Josh, and see ya.